Hi guys, in this video we have the Mova Z60 and I'm going to unbox it. Let's see. So I got my package through FedEx, and what's great about FedEx is that they allow you to hold the package. So if you live in the city, then they can hold the package at one of their pickup and shipping centers, like a Walgreens or something else, and they will hold it for you. Obviously, with the value of the robot vacuum, it requires a signature and an ID, so make sure to bring that with you. A box in a box. Okay. Oh, that's nice. They double boxed it. Now, you might not be able to see this well. Hold up the first box. Let's see what's in it. So this is the extension thing for the base. Yeah, the ramp for the base. Gotta put that down. So, sorry about that. But yeah, so after you remove that, you got this. This is the base station, and this should probably be the vacuum. Yeah, pull that out. What's this? Okay. Well, we have the accessories kit. So the complete Mova Z60 complete comes with 3 extra rollers, and these are really fluffy. It's like carpet, but then comes with 2 rollers, three robot vacuum filters. So these go inside the robot vacuum itself. These are the 3 filter bags that it comes with for the base station. Multi-surface floor cleaner. So I like that they included this. I'm not sure how they dilute it, but yeah. And then this pet odor solution for mopping floors. And then 2 extra brush things. So on top of all these accessories, there's already this brush thingy and a roller and these rollers and a filter and another filter installed, I believe. So that's actually really nice to have like a complete starter kit, and you don't have to spend more money to buy accessories when they go out for a while, so you can enjoy your robot vacuum. Let me just put this to the side. Sorry about that. Base station doesn't have carry handles. Okay. We have bucks. Whoa! That would have been expensive. Yep, this is the robot vacuum itself. I'm not sure if you can see, but robot vacuum. Just the floor. So this thing is actually like 50 pounds. So do take note of that. Well, 50 pounds as the whole box. 52 actually. Okay. The base station is probably like 10 pounds. It's not too bad if you're a guy. Let's see. Wow. So I've actually never owned a robot vacuum before. I mean, like, I've used my uncle's ones at his house. But this is my first fancy robot vacuum because my uncle's one didn't have mopping. And it got stuck everywhere. So apparently there's some little balls in there making noise. I'm not sure if that's for the filtering system. I believe it's for the filtering system for the robot vacuum. But I have heard that this will leak. So we'll see how that goes. I mean, like, you could probably just like clean this gasket every so often so that it don't get the dirt and grime on it. So that's nice. This is the dirt tank. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is the dirt tank, and it has this floaty thing. I assume that was just an air bubble in there. So yeah, this is the dirt tank. Yeah, it seems pretty nice. I like that the bottom is pretty smooth so that you can clean it easier. It's easier to get the dirt out. And has a rubber gasket. Now, I heard online that people put mouthwash in there. I'm not sure if that's actually recommended, but it just helps with the smell, supposedly. Okay, so this is the front. You just pop this off or something. I don't remember. I think you can pop this off. Okay, so that's right, you can pop it off. And this filter bag pre-installed, so that's nice. Just slides in. It just slides in. It doesn't even lock. Okay, yeah, so there's that. And then this is the fluid container. You just pull it out. And it has the multi-surface floor cleaner. And then the other pet odor cleaning solution. Sorry, I can't. Yeah. So supposedly it's only compatible with that. Compatible with their solution. I mean, like, you could probably stick some Mr. Clean in there, and it'd probably work. But that's probably not recommended since it can gunk up your machine, probably the jets. So yeah, hopefully they can provide a list of like supported solutions, because I'd really want to use other solutions that are not there sometimes, like Mr. Clean, because Mr. Clean just seems to work well. What's this? Oh, power cord and an instruction manual. And this instruction manual is, sorry about that. This instruction manual is thick. And this is the power cord. It's white. I'm not sure why they didn't match it with the box, but that's fine. Okay, shove everything back for now. Oh yeah, let's check out the inside. So this is the like cleaning tray, and there's like a rubber thing there. There's a rubber thing hose in the back, but yeah, this is the tray you're supposed to clean, and I've heard that's effective and not effective, so I'll have to see that for myself. It really depends on how you use it, I think. So yeah. A lot of shiny plastic though. I don't think this is going to be shiny for long. Okay. So that front cover needs to get on there. This is the box. And then this tray thing just attaches on the front. So, yeah. Got some 2x4s. I had to vacuum myself. The main idea. Surprisingly, they didn't include any instructions with the box, or like stickers telling you to open this or whatever. So, can't do this one here. Let me set this. Oof. Okay, so I took it out and I flipped it over. When you take it out, you're going to want to slip the cover over these bristles, because they added a hole in the bag for these bristles to stick out so that they don't deform. So nice little roller wheel. Comes with these vacuum things, the vanes. They're rubber, so they probably will get damaged if you over time. They will wear out probably. So it's nice that they included another set. Fluffy roller. This also has some kind of fluffing system with this roller thing. So let's see. I don't know how to take this apart. Here, let's just see if I can take this apart first. I'm sorry if my video sucks and you can't see everything that I'm talking about, but I'm gonna try my best. So yeah, you can see the two roller things, they come out, and they're different colors. So I believe you just slide it off and it comes off. So there's that, and then you can just put the cover back on. No, it was right, I guess. So you just push these two buttons in, and it does the rest, right? Just click in. Okay, I think it's in this time. Okay, and then this is the roller. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I have no idea what that did. How do I take this out? So they give you like absolutely no instructions, and they probably give you instructions in the app, so that's going to be nice. Okay, so you can, this is the shutter guard to protect carpet from the wet cover or the wet roller. Let's see. Oh, I'm blind. So they have the instructions right here. Turn off the light frame. Remove the mop assembly. So you're going to want to what? Oh, there's a button here. Oh, okay. Here, let me show you people that. So there's just a button here, and it just pops off. I think. Okay, so yeah. So that's nice. So this thing can rotate a bit, and then it spins. So yeah, there's some indents for those 4 things. so I can spin the roller well. I'm not gonna, let's see if I can take out the fluffer thing. Okay, so you just pop it off like that, and then it comes off. So this is a fluffer thing. It's rubber, so it will wear out as well. It will wear out over time, so you might need to replace that like probably once or twice in the lifespan of this robot vacuum, depending on how often you use it, obviously. As these wheels, it's supposed to be able to climb over thresholds, which is nice. It has a lot of sensors, so these sensors you're probably going to want to keep clean. Do not poke stuff in this. I think this is sensitive or something for the carpet sensor. So yeah, that's basically it. I have heard that things get stuck on this roller thing, or this fin, this shark fin. Like it can't go on carpet smoothly, so you might want to consider removing this while you're down here if you have a lot of carpet. I think this thing does extend outward so that it can get closer to the walls or trim or the baseboard, whatever you want to call it. So now let's flip it over. It's probably not recommended, but one hand or half hand it. Okay, so you got the front sticker. You're going to want to peel this off. Top cover, you're going to want to peel it off. And this thing just pops up. And it's the pop-up LiDAR sensor, so it's nice. I'm not sure how well it can go under like countertops, but it should be pretty. So at the back here, just the little mop tray. Bear with me. Rubber gasket, that's nice. Hopefully it's replaceable. And some tiny hoses. This filter thingy. Yeah, I think that's it. All there is to it. Some sticker thing over the rear sensors so that you don't scratch it. And then there's also a little slot here for you to pick up the cover, the main cover. So there's just a cover piece. To be honest, I'm not sure why you want to keep the cover piece on because it's gonna get scratched. I guess it just looks good. So you're supposed to remove this foam thing. This foam thing prevents the bumper from moving in and out and damaging the internals, because this is supposed to be able to bump and move freely. And then this is a vacuum dustbin, so it just pops up. For this, I have heard that people hate the way that the base station sucks out the garbage, because it sucks out through the bottom and then it goes through all the swirlies into here, this flap. So there's that. So I believe you want to keep this flap on here to prevent the suction from leaking out, and that would basically make your vacuum part useless, which is not the point. Sorry if I'm rambling a lot. I'm going to have to blur a lot of stuff here. So I might have some blur boxes in random spots, but this is the filter. You just slip it in. Yeah, I think most vacuums have some kind of compression system. I'm not sure how this one works. So yeah, it's basically the unboxing. It also has a reset Wi-Fi button here. I guess, is that a button? Oh no, there's just the pinhole for it. So yeah, that's the robot vacuum unboxing. So I'll probably be testing this throughout the month, and I'll probably have an update video after a few uses and tell you what I think about it so far. Okay, so if you made it to the end of this video, thank you, and I've got a little surprise for you down in the comments or the description. It's a program called Get Your Z60. Mova is offering a 30-day trial for all users or first-time applicants. Well, not first-time applicants, but first-time applicants are preferred. And you can get your own Z60 and for free for 30 days. And you basically just take a couple videos and take a couple pictures on it. And I forgot to mention in the unboxing, there's this power switch, so this turns on and off the base station. I think a few people have gotten confused that their base station was not working until they found it. So there's that power plug and a cord loop, I think. Just really nice quality of life features. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing and liking to see my next videos on this and a few other things.